Hi there wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a Jon Renau wig called Posh, and the color on Posh is 1026 TTS4, also known as Shaded Fortune Cookie. So yeah, let me talk about the color real quick and then we'll get down to talking about Posh. This color is really pretty. It's a really luscious sort of dark blonde color for the most part. The top part of this wig, and I'll zoom in here so we can take a look together, is kind of a blended color. So it's got this really lovely number 10, which is the darker of the two shades you're seeing here. Now the highlight shade is a blended shade, so it's got a little bit of this really pale blonde in here with this sort of butterscotch blonde, because butterscotch has sort of caramel tones in it. So it's really pretty, and then underneath that the darker tone is a 10, which is a light ash brown. So, you know, it has plenty of gold in it from the highlight, that 26, because that 26 has both a 24 and a 27 in it, sort of intermingled. So you get the gold, you get the caramel, and you get the ash with this color. So it's a really lovely color. And because all three of those colors are being used for this one, it turns out to be quite a neutral color, especially when you step back a little bit. Very pretty. And the shaded part is up here. Okay, that's coming from a number 4, a dark brown root. And then there's also some darker brown here at the nape. Okay, so let's talk about Posh. This is a really comfortable wig. It's really comfortable on. There's no lace front, and it's a very classic sort of angled bob. So very chic, very professional. It's a very nice wig. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on the monofilament. So here we can see the top of Posh, which has a double monofilament top, so you can't see my wig cap underneath it. And it's very well threaded. See that color again, how pretty that is. I'm going to go ahead and do a 360 now so you can see what Posh looks like on all sides. You can do a few different things with the front of this one, and they're all kind of cute. So yeah, this one is adorable, and it stretches a lot, which I'll show you when I take the cap off, which, you know, heck, let's go ahead and just do that now. So Posh has a luscious double monofilament top. Like I said, you don't need to wear a wig cap underneath this one. It's very soft to the touch, has a generous band of polyurethane right at the front hairline here. You can put adhesive there if you don't have any hair there. She's open on the side, open in the back. She has an extended felt nape that's really awesome, and you can use these Velcro adjusters to let her in or out. She stretches, look at that. That's pretty good stretch here on the sides, so that's good. Doesn't really stretch much on the top though, and that's probably because of the double monofilament top. But yeah, oh, this is such a pretty color, and this is such a pretty wig. And this is one of those colors that I wish that they would make in more wigs, honestly, because it's so cute. It's like a rooted sandy blonde. Very pretty color. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back on for you now. She just goes right on. Choop. So there you go. This has a 7.5 inch front. The crown down is 6.5, very stacked in the back. The sides are 4.5, and the nape is only 2 inches. This is a 2.4 ounce wig, so it's really lightweight and comfortable on. I think this one's really nice. Now, like I said, it does not have a lace front. As you can see here, instead it's kind of under knotted. So if that makes you kind of paranoid, you can always try to blend it in with a little bit of makeup right at the front here, and that ought to help quite a bit. So there you have it. This is my review of the Posh wig from Jon Renau in the beautiful color 1026 TT S4, also known as Shaded Fortune Cookie. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com, bringing you lots of wig reviews and color spotlights and all kinds of other stuff. And hopefully you find it helpful when you're shopping for your hair, and hopefully you'll check out my wig store. It's just CysterWigs.com. And until next time, have a great night. Bye-bye.